lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babaylan TV.
Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 15th to the February 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, pwede kayong sumali, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading o baka konti lang, no, ang inyong ma-resonate. That is okay. Take what's only yours, no? By the way, inuna ko muna itong February the 15th to the 21st dito sa channel na ito. So, kung hindi kayo maka-resonate dito, kung hindi bukas sa isang araw, i-release ko na yung 15th to the 21st doon po sa ating Babaylan TV. So magsimula na tayo, Sagittarius. So parang intense ang nangyayari, no? Ang init-init, whether it is galit na galit tayo or sobrang in love na in love. Ayan. So ang nakikita kasi natin dito, parang yung passion natin kasi minsan lang mangyari, maybe this is the first time nangyari to, and we are savoring the moment na ayaw na nating pakawalan, almost as if, no, parang hindi pa naman, but we are crossing the boundary of medyo obsessive, no, or obsessions. Pwede rin kasi ditong baka naman, no, sa iba, katulad sa, something is very high, something is excessive in here, and that is the emotion. Baka naman kung sa trabaho ito, either sobrang inspired tayo. And I think that's good kung sa trabaho yan, no? Walang problema kung inspired tayo. Eh what if kung galit na galit tayo dun sa isang tao na parang kinasusuklaman na natin, no? Kung ito'y sa buhay pamilya, ganun din naman. It's either we are inspired or parang pagod na tayo, no, sa pagtulong sa family. You know, nakakaranas naman lahat ng tao niyan. And I feel like siguro sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, ayokong i-entertain yung ganun na thought kasi parang feeling ko ang sama-sama akong tao, parang masama akong anak, kapamilya, no? Pero sa totoo lang, yung katawan ko hapong-hapon na, no? Kung sa buhay pag-ibig naman ito, Sagittarius, I feel like yun naman, sobra-sobra na ang pagka-in love natin. I just want to remind you na anything that's sobra, no? Minsan nakakalason. Tulad ng sweets, no? Sugar is good when it's done moderately. Sumobra ka, diabetes, no? Salt is good, no? In moderation, pag sumobra ka, may sakit ka sa bato, 'di ba? Animal fat is good, the body needs it. Pag sumobra ka, ayan, sakit sa puso, alta presyon, cholesterol, no? What I'm trying to say in here is that we need to probably moderate those somehow, sabihin na natin obsessions. Pero with the Six of Wands naman, somehow it's still working on your end. Hindi pa natin nakikita yung implications. But I feel like there's so much siguro nare-reciprocate din naman, no? Eh kung ganun ka-passionate ang ating relationship, edi I feel like maganda naman ang situation ninyo, no? Nandito pa siguro bago, no? Usually nakikita ito sa mga bagong magkarelasyon, yung halos parang yung mga asong katatapos lang, yung nagdidikit yung puwet na hindi mo mapag-alis, 'di ba? With the Seven of Cups, there's parang hindi dapat kasi umiikot yung mundo natin sa mga bagay, no? I'm not saying masama ang nangyayari. In fact, kung totoong sobrang in love, parang doon na umikot. Pero paano naman yung family? Paano naman itong trabaho? Paano naman itong, social, no, obligations? Um, I feel like because of baka pwede rin itong finances, no? Usually kapag sobra tayo nakatutok na sa isang bagay, no, hindi na natin nababalanse, meron tayong napapabayaan. With the Knight of Cups in here, medyo nakikita mo bumabagal. I feel like there's something, well, with the Devil card showed up, it might be an obsession. The Emperor in here, you might have this, pwedeng sabihin natin, say, no, sa family members. Pwedeng ikaw yung breadwinner, pwedeng, you bring something to the table, and that's very important. A huge chunk of you, no, parang you have the authority. Sa trabaho, baka naman napapabayaan natin, no, na meron na tayong positions, but because hindi na natin na nabibigyan ng focus, baka um, nagiging shaky, no, ang situation. Finances, ganun din. But I feel like when it comes to romance, um, I feel like medyo nawawalan tayo ngayon ng balanse, nawawalan tayo ng control sa mga bagay-bagay, and to a point wherein I feel like this might be, no, um, intentional para ma-dominate, no? I'm not saying, again, this is general ha. Baka sabihin niyo naman, ako po yung medyo gusto kong maging dominante, no? And I feel like ako yung nagiging dominant. Baligtad po yata. That's okay. What I am reading here is the dynamic. But with the Queen of Wands, parang feeling ko kailangan natin magsalita, no? Kapag mali, kailangan natin. Kasi nandito tayo sa parang, dahil mahal kita, sige, hayaan ko muna, no? Parang meron tayong sinasanay na tao. And I feel like because of this, baka instead of you're creating a partner, you might be creating a monster. Something to ponder with the with the Queen of Pentacles, na kung sobra na yung mga naibibigay natin. It might be sobra na yung finances, sobra na yung time. Katulad ng sabi ko with the Queen of Pentacles, no? Ito yung parang life at the party, I created the party, I'm buying things. Ayan, baka nagkakautang-utang tayo with the Six of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. So, I feel like medyo naging galante tayo, bigay lang tayo ng bigay, bigay lang tayo ng bigay, no? And that's probably, kung na-reciprocate, that's okay, no? But I hope that this will be constant, fluid, kasi parang feeling ko, you're exceeding, no, the limitations. With the Ace of Cups and the Moon card, tama pa ba? No? Tama pa ba yung love na nararamdaman mo? Tama pa ba? Kasi kung meron ng mga either sitwasyon, tao na naaapakan, I think that you have to look back, you have to consider, no, looking at yourself, looking at the situation, kasi parang feeling natin medyo, wala na sa wisyo, no? Baka meron ng mga taong nagrereklamo, wow, with the Seven of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles. So, how was this? Because with the Seven of Pentacles, you're waiting. Probably you have been waiting for a person like this. A person, wala namang masama kung na-experience mo na siya. Ang iyong saya kasi, no, that's good kung masaya ka. Pero napapasaya mo rin ba yung mga taong nasa paligid mo? Kasi this is not just, the world doesn't revolve around you. There might also be people, no, na parang nasasagasaan na tayo. I think that we need to do something, no, at least reach out. If you can explain, then explain. But it felt like you are being misunderstood with the Knight of Cups and the Death card. So, may bawi naman. So, I feel like this is more of, in time, marirealize mo rin. So, I think that this is just part of the journey, no? of this situation. But with the Emperor, wag naman sanang dumating with the Four of Swords. I feel like, may isa dito biglang tatama rin because of, alam mo yun, kasi kapag sobra yung trabaho mo, maganda siya sa una, 'di ba? Um, Sabihin natin, when it comes to work, literally, overtime, no? Extended ng time, pumapasok ng day off, no? Ah, Maganda siya kasi malaki yung pumapasok na pera. Pero yung burnout, pag, pag dumating siya or wag naman sana, no, magkasakit. So parang yung inipon mo sa hospital mapupunta, no? Parang nagtrabaho ka lang din sa ibang tao kasi ibabayad mo siya. Kung mababurnout ka, parang feeling mo ayaw mo muna magtrabaho kasi you exhausted. Para yung makina, 'di ba? Kung hindi nakakapagpahinga, baka pumutok, no? Um, wow, with the Four of Swords. Kasi may tatamanin the Devil card with the Two of Swords. Ayan na. Um, Again, no? Siguro parts doon sa mga sobrang saya, huwag nyo nang pakinggan to, no? Pero kung makikita nyo, if there's, kasi pag sinabi mong Sagittarius, may katigasan ng ulo yan eh. If that works for you, that works for you, go ahead, no? As long as wala ka natatapakan tao, masaya ka, go for it. Pero ang nakikita kasi natin dito with the Two of Swords, either kailangan mong putulin ang sungay nito, dadating yung time na kailangan mong putulin sungay ng person mo. The Queen of Wands, kailangan mo na rin magsalita. I feel like for a few numbers of you, nararanasan nyo itong Queen of Wands na kailangan nyo magsalita, kailangan nyo ng um, sabihin na, oy, sumosobra. No? Either sumosobra ka, sumosobra ako, kailangan natin balansehin with the Nine of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo nakakaranas ng stress dahil sa sobrang mapagbigay natin. We might be, probably being used for financial gain. Hindi yun yung totoong intention ng person, no, ng person mo. In fact, the true intention here is love. Pero with the things, no, na ginagawa natin, baka makahanap sila ng butas na, ito ganito pala tong taong to. So might as well, parang ikaw nagbigay ng clue na pwede kang i-take for granted or take advantage of, no? So let's get some more cards here. So hinay-hinay lang tayo, Sagittarius. Gusto ko lang po ipaalala sa inyo na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, which is Babaylan TV, nagla-live po tayo doon. So pwede po kayong magtanong, no? Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, dito na lang po kayo magtanong sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Ulitin ko po, inuno ko po muna itong channel na ito and then either by tomorrow or by the other day, ang February the 15th to the 21st, i-release ko po dun sa kabilang channel, no? Pero kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, dito sa comment section, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box po ng video na ito, there's a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, no? Nandun po yung question form, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 and if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So will you help me? I think that this might be a mutual energies. Pwedeng humingi ka ng tulong for your person to make this balance or give time, or baka humingi ng tulong sa inyo si person for financial, no? Katulad ng sabi ko, baka mamaya tayo na yung nagbibigay ng butas, no? Kaya sabi ko hinay-hinay lang. So with let's check the message from the universe. Perhaps you are reminded all too often just how quickly the phase in your life can shift. one change after another. You are learning to adapt and grow. Be kind and gentle with yourself. So I think if there's some experiences from the past na nagawa mo, I hope that it's not going to happen again in this new relationship of yours or in this new endeavors of yours. Kasi parang ang bilis ng mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, no? Um, Nandito ka para matuto at mag-mature, lumago, no? But if you're doing the same thing over and over again, I think that there must be a problem, no? Sa atin na, wala na dun sa mga taong nakapaligid. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person or these people, those people na involved, no? Kung this is a family relationship. I'm seeing Leo, Sagittarius, baka kapwa Sagittarius ito, no? Pisces, Scorpio, Aries, um, Cancer, Virgo, uh, Capricorn. Yeah, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. Did I say Taurus? Taurus nandyan. Love and light, namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.